Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Yotpo Rewards to Shopify for customer loyalty, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Yotpo Rewards to Shopify for customer loyalty, begin by logging into your Shopify. In a separate tab or window, open your Yotpo account. Locate the integrations section in your Yotpo dashboard. Click on the Shopify option to initiate the integration process. Follow the prompts to install the Yotpo app on your Shopify store. After installation, return to your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section and find the Yotpo Rewards app. Click on the app to open its settings. You will be guided through a setup process. Make sure to customize your loyalty program settings as desired. This includes defining how customers can earn points and the rewards they can redeem. Once you have configured your settings, save your changes. Next, set up email notifications for customer engagement. In the Yotpo app, find the email settings section. Choose the types of notifications you want to send. This can include points earned, rewards available, or program updates. Make sure to customize the content of these emails to align with your brand voice. After configuring email settings, review your reward program rules. Ensure that they are clear and concise for your customers. Double-check that all links and redirects are working properly. Test the integration by making a test purchase on your Shopify store. Check if points are awarded correctly and if notifications are sent. If everything works smoothly, your integration is complete. Regularly monitor customer feedback to make any necessary adjustments. That's how you connect Yotpo Rewards to Shopify for customer loyalty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.